It's happening. Crypto is getting a nice breakout. Perhaps this is the relief bounce we have been waiting for, coming out of the extreme fear territory. And today we're looking at Terra Classic because we are up 2.9%. We've removed that zero once again, and things are starting to look very good for Terra Luna Classic. If you're new here, guys, make sure you do smash subscribe. Join my giveaway of $200. And also, I'm starting to do some trading signals. So if you want to be part of the promotional signals, have the Discord premium access, you can find that down in the description below. So let's have a look at Terra Classic today, trading at $0.000111. Nice surge of volume. We're up 15% over there in the last 24 hours. Market cap has escalated back up to 664 million. So what's going on, lunatics? Why are we pumping? What do I think is about to happen as we forge a very bullish chart pattern on the charts at the moment? Well, before we get into the charts, let's just have a look at some things. We can see Luna Classic HQ. Luna Classic will be moving forward to the next step. Upgrade the testnet to V21 will be added. And here is EK826, the legend himself. He said, thanks, appreciate it. Moving forward, we need to maintain a testnet for Columbus 5. This will allow new investors to test out their projects, and develop new applications. We need to think about V22 and all the software packages that need to be ported to the new version. We can also bring testing out some new ideas on the algo stable. We will soon be upgrading testnet to V21, and I'll be adding in a supply of UST and other stablecoins. So I'm quite keen to see what might happen here. Of course, this is really bullish, and the more supply that is getting burnt for Luna, as we can see, Luna burner right now, we're looking at 0.024%. Just a few days ago, it was 0.021%. So we're slowly getting closer to that 0.1% mark. And I think we're going to see it happen rather soon, to be honest. So what's going on with the price action of Terra Luna Classic? This is why I'm getting excited right now. We can see that we had this falling wedge and we completely lost support. We folded, and I'm just going to adjust these lines quickly. We had this incredibly strong wick right here. You see this? It's almost like a tombstone, but an inverse tombstone. So we had massive buying pressure at this 0.000085 level. And if we look at the weekly time frame, we've almost got ourselves a hammer candle on the weekly. That's where the body's at the top, and it's followed by a long wick. So a short body, long wick at the bottom of the candle, which also reflects significant buying pressure and a temporary takeover from the bulls. Now what we're seeing is a nice swing high up to this resistance right here. As you see, we got the rejection from this particular swing, so you could anticipate, are we going to come back down, maybe retest lower levels and then retest resistance again, and then get the breakout to the upside? Personally, I think we are going to break out of this descending triangle pattern. Of course, it is a bearish pattern, but looking at the 20-day EMA, we're sitting just above, and on the Bollinger Bands, we're not even overextended. We're just consolidated exactly where we need to be. From the volume side of things, we have had 4 consecutive days of green volume candles, which is also very good to look at from a technical analysis point of view. Now, I believe personally this particular consolidation phase is taken 31 days. We had a similar phase just here, which took us 18 days. You can see we had the pump, so just following the pump, 30 days here, and you can see this was a 17 days consolidation. What happened following this one is we see a 174% increase in price. Now we could potentially see another breakout here. I'm not going to say it's going to be the same amount, but you know, even if we saw like just a nice breakout, maybe to like 0.00035 or something, I'd be speculating something big to happen soon for this project. If we look at the Fibonacci extension, we're going to find that now. Where did you go? Fib retracement. If we bring the swing high to swing low, you can see we come between 2.272 and 3.618 on this particular occasion. We did the, if we do that again, you know, we're going to come to 0.00037. Now I think that's extremely unlikely. I think it's more likely that we just break out above. Maybe we're going to see like 0.0018 or 0.0002 there, depending on what happens. Really, it's all about what happens from this descending triangle, and if we can break through this particular price range. I am bullish. I think we can. Of course, this is going to be a big resistance right here again at the 0.0001 level. We did actually break through the resistance and it became support, but we lost it again, unfortunately. 20-day EMA here on the 4-hour, we are a bit overextended, so we could expect a bit of downward retracement for now. Either way, I think things are looking great for Luna Classic. We've just got to consolidate within this range, and hopefully we don't come back into the falling wedge range here, and we see a bit of continuation to the upside here for Luna Classic. Social front, we are actually seeing a few engagements drop here across the social matrix for Luna Classic, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. I think, Luna is up about 10% on the day. Luna Classic is doing good as well. So really the whole Terra Luna ecosystem is thriving at the moment. Fear and greed, we are sitting at 39. So we're bouncing out that extreme fear finally back into a more of a neutral market, because the whales want to take advantage of the retail investors' fear, and this is how they make money, longing and liquidating those short positions. So if you're new here, guys, just want to say thank you so much. Make sure you do subscribe. Make sure you be part of this giveaway. All you got to do is subscribe and you'll automatically get added to the list. And if you want to be a patron, I very much welcome you to do so. And thank you very much in advance. You can also find my other links like the Telegram groups down below and my Discord if you want to get access to free content and education. Make sure you stay crypto safe out there, guys. It is a bear market, so there's lots of scams going on. I will never impersonate or message you directly, and there are a lot of people impersonating me at the moment, so just stay aware. Always read white papers, make sure you're on the right website, make sure it's the right contract address, la-di-da-di-da, just very small things. And if you get fishy emails, just don't reply to them. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Anyway, bye for now.